Nothing is working over a pair of over-the-ear headphones. The company has officially confirmed the move in a video. This follows Nothing's recent announcement about partnering with KEF for the future audio products, of which many will arrive as early as this year. We can assume there's headphones too. Nothing was first rumored to developing its own pair of headphones over the year in February when they were allegedly certified by SGS Fimco under the model number B170. Nothing CEO Carpe shared a few concept images of the possible Nothing headphones back in October 2022. Since then, the company has now decided to pursue its venture. Expect the Nothing headphones to be a very unique design that says something about you when you're wearing them, as Nothing designers doesn't like the look of any pairs of headphones that's existing in the market. Nothing headphones will have very distinct buttons so that you don't have any issues identifying which is which while you're wearing them. Nothing promises the headphones will be amongst the best sounding headphones in the market for the price point. If you go for a pair of AirPods Max through these, Nothing says you won't be disappointed despite their cheaper price.